And so, I have sometimes spoken to you as fellow citizens of Kenya that we may not agree on how to take Kenya forward, but we all agree that we have a common purpose and cause to take our country to the next level. All of us. And that is what matters, that we all agree that we must move Kenya to the next level. I said yesterday at the ADB conference, because many of you saw me pushing in the United States the agenda of Kenya. But half the time I spend pushing the agenda of the continent. And I said yesterday that there is no prosperous Kenya without a thriving Africa. And I want to repeat here today that there will be no prosperous county without a thriving Kenya. All of us, our destiny is intertwined. We must carry every village. We must carry every constituency. We must carry every county to make Kenya truly great. And that is why I speak to you leaders as the father figure of the nation, that we work together. We build bridges. We build synergy. We have a common destiny. There will be no success of one county as against another. We must pull together and succeed together as a nation. I want to repeat the words in Kiswahili of Matthew 5:9. Neno la Mungu linasema, heri wapatanishi, those who unite people, those who bring people together, those who make peace, those qualified to be the children of God. We must do that together, all of us. Of course, our democratic culture is a powerful